exert x5 x2 dx. In this case, substitution first. x5 we can rewrite the integral as x2 squared x dx. x2 x squared equals to u x squared eu du on second onto e to eu u to eu du. BPI method, we choose W dV I becomes W V W we have also 1 second here. One second multiplied to 2 u eu du. GPI method, W again for I prime, WV u minus VDW UEU. Substitution to the integral I equals to u to EU minus UEU plus EU plus C. Next page I. U equals to x2 x4 ex2 x2 ex2